Coordinating Committee Against the Actions of 𝐒𝐈𝐈𝐓𝐄𝐇 Narco-Terrorists and Illegal Immigrants urged the people of the state to switch off lights in their corridors and verandas on the day of Diwali tomorrow from 6 p.m. to 6:10 p.m. as a tribute to martyrs who sacrificed their lives fighting against the 𝐒𝐈𝐈𝐓𝐄𝐇 Narco-Terrorists. Chairpersons of the Coordinating Committee, 𝐶𝐼𝐈𝐵, made the appeal during a press meet at Manipur Press Club today, further highlighting the role of women of Manipur in fighting against any injustice from first 𝗏𝗡𝗏 to second 𝗏𝗡𝗏. She said, "Mothers of the land have been prepared for another women's war if the center and the state government cannot resolve the crisis." She appealed to people of the state to switch off their lights to let the world know the state has been in the dark.
Diwali haidana mai kumai makupangthokdana lairiba kholibase kumsi sahigi chaichadsidadi athaubi thawaina pontha pikhraba ireija singi mafamda ikai khumnaba utpa oina 𝐂𝐈𝐵𝐄𝐇 yumthong khudingmak midangi pung 6 minute 10 phauba mai mambire hairaga loinana malemgi mafam khudingmakta Manipur 𝐂𝐈𝐵𝐄𝐇 yumthong khudingmaki miyamse ahingda woidana leire nonganba phangdre haiba sigumbagi wakhalon sideida aikhoina hayeng lakadoiba Diwali se yumthong khudingmakta mai thanbiganu haiba paugela se pijanabagi damakta aikhoina ngasi sigumba mifam ase phamjaribani pangthokjaribani aduga iroinana ngasi 𝐂𝐈𝐵𝐄𝐇 sideida tha 6 sujela aba phawbada waroi silama phawba poraktadana nongmana kanagi palino khangdana mafam khudingmak loijing loya singkhong chingyada kuki meletian singna nongma kangdana nongmai kapsillaktana pukchak oiriba longui singna lau suba chatpada phawba tangkhallaktana kangaunaraba matam sideida ngasi aikhoi kadaida leigadoribano kamdaugadabano khangdaba matam sideida lakadoriba ningol amadi mausingi ningon chakobasi asi phawbasu aikhoi committee asina tawbiraganu aikhoi amata oina punsin minaraga malemgi mafam punamakta ngasi thoiba thodo wathokse 𝐂𝐈𝐵𝐄𝐇 punamaki mafamda thamoida aigi imungda thokpani aigi ichada sokpani aigi sokte aigi soi haibagi wakhalonse thadok pire hairaga ngasi aikhoigi awaba tariba tha 6 hinjilla aba mathong khangdraba sigumba India government amadi Manipur government animakna ngasi aikhoigi awaba tariba punamaksingse khangbire hairaga maruwaina nupising Manipur gi 𝐂𝐈𝐵𝐄𝐇 mama oibi punamakna khangchet masi lange haraga kokte kokche setle haraga ahum suba nupilan gi damakta chongthoage haibase India government amadi Manipur government da nahoina santaina ba ngamdragadi aikhoi irei pak singakcherage iramda ngakcherage tungi miron gi damakta ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯗꯥꯅꯕꯗ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯒꯗꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯨꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯎꯠꯂꯝꯃꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃ ꯈꯟꯖꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ꯫